Is it right to evict tenants for unpaid rent? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. I run a law firm based in Cape Town and Joburg and head up a department that specializes in evictions. Earlier this week, I spoke about the need for an element of humanitarian and ethical behavior when it comes to dealing with lease breaches for non-payment of rent during these COVID times. I was particularly sorry to read about the plight of a group of tenants in Johannesburg who were evicted for unpaid rent. The tenants include foreign nationals, and many of them were waiters and bartenders who have been unable to work since lockdown closed the bars and restaurants. The tenants claimed that the property owner intimidated them in the weeks leading up to the eviction because they could not afford the rent. Eventually, one tenant was locked out of his room and told his belongings were being held as collateral until he paid rent. Other tenants said they were locked inside the yard. This behavior is not only unethical, it is illegal under the current lockdown regulations. These tenants do have recourse through the Rental Housing Tribunal and have been invited to lodge a claim for urgent relief by the Gauteng Tribunal. It is bitter cold in Johannesburg at the moment, and COVID-19 cases are on the rise in that province, making it more important than ever for people to be able to shelter privately. Evicting tenants unlawfully because they cannot pay rent through no fault of their own displays a clear absence of compassion and common humanity. I'd like to repeat what I've said before. We all need to exercise commercial ubuntu right now and accept that times are tough for everyone. Both parties should come to the negotiating table and try to come up with a solution. In this case, it is not known if the tenants tried to do that, but it is clear the landlord did not. If you are worried about your rental housing situation, don't wait until push comes to shove. Contact me and I'll assist with alternative dispute resolution. My watchwords are respect, recognition, ethical responsibility. I'll defend your rights whether you are a landlord or tenant. Call me or send me a WhatsApp to 076 116 0623 and I'll give you a call back.